Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to put Google Calendar in Notion using method 2024. And right now, I'm currently inside Google Calendar, and the first thing I want you to do is basically log in. I've used my dummy Gmail account to proceed on Google Calendar. Next up is go to this website. It's gonna be called indify.co. This is the link, and this should be the landing page you'd be seeing on your end. Now, once you're here, simply log in by clicking that button right there, or sign up if you don't have an account. So I'm just gonna sign up like I did right here. So this is how it should look like inside Indify. Under widgets, there is gonna be a create widget under Google Calendar. So choose and create widget right there. Let's just name it my calendar. This will not show up, by the way. It's just for organization purposes. Click continue. Now once you're here, it's just like Canva. The tools are on the left and the editing page is on the right side. So please log in to view calendar. Let's just simply log in by this method right there. Sign in, basically logging right that one. So a little tip for you guys before proceeding on this method, make sure you log into your Google Calendar with the same Gmail account. Because you can't use Indify with a different Gmail account and another one with a different Gmail account. I have encountered an error right there. Let me check if I can make this work. I'll get back to you once I'm here. So welcome back. This is how it should look like. Even though you're still seeing sign button right there, you should see logged in as this email right here, whatever you choose for your email. Next up, just simply edit as you please. You can change the border right there. You can change the background color right here. You can change the color like you please. So I'm just gonna play with this one. I think I'm good with that. The borders are red. If I want to change the indicator, I can go with a little bit green. Perfect. I think I'm satisfied with this one right now. Next up, if you were good, simply click on this copy clipboard. Make sure you see that copy to clipboard notification. Next up, go to your Notion. So this is a Notion, just blank. Simply type in this /embed, like this one, and just simply paste the link you copied. Click on the embedded link, and then wait for your Google Calendar to upload. Basically, that's it. We've just uploaded our Google Calendar inside your Notion. We can change everything here like so. And the perfect thing about this one is real-time edit. So let's go back to Google Calendar. Now, for example, I'm gonna create a date right here. And then I'm gonna click on this one. Let's just say work. Click on save. And then click on assimilate right there. Now I'm gonna go back to Notion. I'm gonna refresh Notion and let's see if it's gonna be updated. As we see right here, there is the one we made earlier, the real-time updates. They're synchronized, and with that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.